Can this limit exist when a second function is involved? Most students get this wrong in WAEC. Let's solve it carefully. Limit. As s tends to 0 from the positive side, square root of 3s plus 1 plus secant of pi over s, all through divided by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 over s. First of all, we have to simplify the denominator, which is this. So, 2 plus 1 will give you what? 3. Multiply by 1 over x, which is 3 multiplied by 1 will give you what? 3 over s. So, let's rearrange. Limit as s tends to 0 from the positive side, square root of 3s plus 1 plus secant of pi over s divided by 3 over s. So now you have to change this division to multiplication. And to change from division to multiplication, you have to flip. So we have limit as s tends to 0 from the positive side, square root of 3s plus 1 plus secant of pi over s multiply by what? S over 3. So you have to distribute this s over 3 for this and this. So let's distribute it. We have limit as s tends to 0 from the positive side, s square root of 3s plus 1 over 3 plus s secant of pi over s. Now, we have to evaluate each term separately. This is the first term and this is the second term. So we have to evaluate them separately. So for the first term, which is this, we have s square root of 3s plus 1 over 3. Now, as s approaches to 0, square root of 3s plus 1 approaches to square root of 1 which is 1. So this becomes approximately S multiplied by 1 over 3 tends to 0. For the second term, this is the first term, and this is the second term. For the second term, S multiplied by seconds of pi over S, all through divided by 3. Now, this looks a bit tough, right? But don't panic. Seconds multiplied by pi over S oscillates widely because cosine oscillates between -1 and 1. Cosine oscillates between -1 and 1. But now, notice something powerful. It is multiplied by S. Small numbers multiplied by oscillating numbers tends to 0. Small numbers multiplied by oscillating numbers tends to 0. So this term also tends to 0. So first term tends to 0 and second term also tends to 0. So the final answer equals 0. So the answer for limit of S approaches to 0 from the positive side, the square root of 3S plus 1 plus seconds of pi over S, all through divide by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 over S is 0. See, that WAEC math is not about fear. It is by simplifying and understanding behavior. If this explanation helps you, like the video and subscribe for more WAEC math revision.